All right, so an AI marketing strategy, and why AI without a plan? It's just digital noise. I mean, we've got clients sometimes that will send us great ideas, amazing ideas, but there's just so many of them that are coming through all at once.
It is so wild.
Yeah.
So we've been working with AI for about 4 years now, and I will tell you that we're just figuring out how to put it together with a plan.
Sure. Yeah.
And I guess the thing to understand here is your first run at it or your first output shouldn't be your final output. And you should be proofreading this stuff, because as much as it looks beautiful, you might find out that half of it's not even true.
It's like writing a book. You gotta kind of brain dump all of your stuff out there, and then you go back and refine and kind of edit and move forward. Yeah.
Speaking of writing a book, I actually generated a 200-page book for my wife with all of her kids in it.
Oh, nice.
For her birthday.
That's awesome.
There was no plan behind that, but I'd love to read that book. I'll throw that preview of that book up here on the screen so you can see what it looks like. The AI is crazy.
Yeah.
It's crazy. I think you have to have a plan. You could probably use AI to help get the plan, knock out the stuff you need, and then keep kind of using AI. We have found that different AI platforms are better at certain things. We won't cover that in this email, or I'm sorry, did I say email? This video.
Yeah.
You can leave that in. But yeah, so, it's going to be interesting. AI without a plan.
I think it's kind of like when we were, on our end at Virteom, we would put a marketing roadmap into place.
Yeah.
And it's similar when you're doing anything with AI. I think AI is going to get you so far, but realistically, you're kind of the strategist. You're the person putting the plan together.
Yeah.
So it's about utilizing AI to maybe simplify certain tasks or speed up the process a little bit. But if it does affect the output or the final product, that's where I think you got to kind of put the brakes on a little bit.
I can tell you right now, we have one client we've been working with for 5 years, and we were moving at breakneck speeds. We were generating a ton of leads, phone calls, blah, blah, blah. And then he got wound up in AI. And we have stopped. We can't even move forward. The amount of brain blockage that has taken place with this one client is unbelievable.
Yeah.
So this is an interesting thing. This is where we really come in, because we will get him all straightened out and get him a good plan. But he's really kind of shooting at the hip with no plan. If you feel like that, that's something you should really talk to us about, because we've been doing this for 30 years.
Yeah.
We've taken 30 years of experience and only put that experience into AI to really enhance it. And our organization process to get you straightened out. Like, we have some clients, they come in, they don't know what to do with their websites. It's a mess, even with AI, and we will snap them in gear. Usually about 2 weeks, you're like fully snapped in gear, and your jaw is sort of on the floor when we're done with you. But if you're feeling like that, that's something that I would say, come to us, we'll help you put together a plan, a comprehensive plan for you guys. Yes, we will use AI. Yes, it does cut costs. In a lot of ways, though, it also makes it super efficient for you. You're going to come out with a product that's just going to blow you away.
Yeah. Use AI as a tool, not as a crutch.
Exactly. Take care, everybody.